Hello friends, welcome to the part 3 of our meme generator project. So if you doesn't watch that part 1 and part 2 yet, then you can check my description. I also added the part 1 and part 2 video link along with them code. So inside this video, I add a functionality like you have to add any text inside this meme and you have to create any custom meme by your own. So let's move inside our text editor. For that, now go inside that app.js file, and after that, welcome message. I want to print the input. So inside this I tag, I write some text. For this kind of CSS, I want to use Bootstrap because we already installed that React Bootstrap inside our project. So now go inside our browser and write here Bootstrap CDN. Go inside this official website of this Bootstrap, and we want to copy that Bootstrap CDN link and paste inside our index.html. Above this title tag, and save this so we can use that Bootstrap inside our project. First we have to import that form group control label that Bootstrap provide us, form and form control from React Bootstrap. Now we have to use that form. So for that, after this h4 tag, I think we have to write a form inline. First group is for our top, so form group and control label, that is top, and after some space, form control, that is type text, and same is for our bottom. So copy this and add some space here, paste. Then instead of this top, we have to write bottom. Now save this, and here you can see here control label is not exported. So for this error, we have to go inside the Stack Overflow. Inside the solution section, you can see here we have to install 0.32.4 version. So copy this and go inside our package.json file. And paste this. Save this. We updated our package.json file. So first we have to install that dependencies. So I create another terminal for that, and here I write npm install. So first I want to go inside my project folder and npm install. Now you can see here our dependencies is updated successfully. So now I want to go inside my browser and You can see here our top and bottom is added successfully because we added the form. So if you doesn't allow to see this, you have to close your server and start again with npm start. Now let's modify this. I want to add an on change event whenever this function is completed. So after this type text, I write here on change event and this dot set state, and inside the text 0 we have to get the user value with event.target.value. Don't worry, we added this text 0 state inside our component. So now same for this our text 1 that is inside our bottom. So now copy this and paste here. Instead of this text 0 we have to write text 1. Now add our state text 0 and text 1. By default it is nothing. Now save this. You can see here there is an error. We remove this. Now save this, and here we are allowed to write anything here. Yes. Now I want to add an functionality like whenever I click on this image and after that this top is added here and bottom text is added here. So let's do that. So for that we have to go inside our movie item component and here we have to pass text 0. This dot state dot text 0, and next is for our text 1. Now we have to add an helper function. So go inside our meme item.js file and I create a function that is post meme. I also want to add an on click function so we can click an image and our text is added here. So on click, and this will call our function that is post meme. Save this. Now create our custom meme. We have to create another action. So go inside this index.js file and here we have to create second action that is new meme. Now create a function for that. So export function that is new meme. Here we have to pass that meme, same like that our memes. Return the type of our action that is new meme. Here we have to pass our meme. So now save this. After changing these actions, we also have to tell the reducers. So here we have to import our two action that is receive memes and new meme from actions. Then we have to create similar function, paste here, and instead of these memes, here we have to write my memes, and if case is new meme, then we have to get our state first. After that we have to return our state. So to getting our whole state, there is an syntax like this: action dot meme return state, and by default it will return our whole state. We have to pass this my memes function inside our root reducer. Yes, now save this. Now we have to go inside this meme item.js file and we have to import that action. So import new meme from actions. Now we have to connect our Redux store. So we have to import our connect from Redux. Now here we have to pass this inside our connect. And here our first parameter is null and second is our new meme. Now we have to use that post meme function that we have to change by this on click method. First we have to got our text 0 and text 1 is equal to this dot props, and I want to create another object, meme object, because inside this object I have to pass a template ID because each meme has a different ID. So we can fetch that meme that we have to click. So template underscore ID this dot prop dot meme dot ID, and we also have to pass that text 0 and text 1. Now save this. Now you can see here connect is not exported because that is come from React-Redux, and our meme object is now undefined. So we have to pass this template ID inside this, and here we have to call that this dot props dot new meme, and our object name is meme object. Now save this. You can see here there is an error. We have to remove this first. There is another error for receive memes. Receive memes is 2 times. Let's remove this because we already imported. Now the all error will be gone. Yes, our functionality is same. Now after writing this top text and bottom text, we have to add inside this meme, and after that our custom meme is create. We have to share it. So we have to create a URL for that meme. So for that I create a new function inside our actions. So this function name is post meme, and this is JSON. Inside that I want to grab these params inside this function we have to pass our username and password for getting our new URL. So first we have to import that. So import username and password from secrets. After that we have to use that params. Here first is for our usernames, second is for password. After getting that URL we have to post that. So many of these websites are getting post requests or get request. We are using that post. So first const body params, and here we have to get our keys which is inside these params by this object. So object dot keys, inside that we have to pass our params. Remember, route params are parameters whose value are set dynamically in a page URL. This allows a router to render the same component while passing the component the dynamic portion of the URL. So because of that we use these params. After getting this key we have to map it. Here this is a key for our object and we have to return our encoded URL component. This is by default JavaScript method, and code URI component, and here we have to append our params. Inside our params, that is our username and password, so we can access our whole new URL with our username and password is equal to, and now here our params key. Now we have to join that with our end. So join with our end, and after that we want to write here console.log for checking purpose, body params. Now save this file. You can see here object is not defined because we have to use this capital O. And here there is extra D because our by default JavaScript function name is encode. So now our all error will be gone. Now after getting our URL we have to hit that inside our APIs. So for that we use return and fetch our API with our URL that is we used earlier. Now we have to paste here, and instead of this get memes we have to write caption image. Now save this. After this fetching an API we have to allow some restrictions. So method is post, then inside the header we have to write, like I write content type, we have to pass this inside this, and our content type is application with www form URL encoded, and inside our body we have to pass our body params, and this is for our promise. We have to write .then because we are fetching, so we have to pass our promise at the end of that fetch. That is our response, and that is our JSON format, so response.json, and this is our function, so we use to add brackets. After that fetch, we have to add a similar function like this. Inside that we have to dispatch, so export function, that is create meme. The name is totally up to you, and here I want to pass a object. The name is new meme object because this is our new own meme. We have to return our function which is dispatch, same like earlier. We have to pass this function, so return post meme JSON. Inside that we have to pass our object which is new meme object for this function, and our promise is .then new meme will dispatch, and new meme. Here our another new meme. Now save this, and I don't want to go inside the detail of this function because we already done it here. Now you can see there is an error, so we have to solve this first. Here this is small p. Now save this, and the error is gone now. After getting our new created meme, we have to go inside our meme item.js, and instead of this new meme we have to write create meme because this is our create meme, that is we create by our own. Now save this, go inside our browser, and first we have to go inside our console, and now I write here a top text that is hello, and inside our bottom we write hey, and now I select this image, and you can see here there is an error. The params is not a function, so for that we have to pass our key which is array, so we have to pass our keys by this, and instead of this header we have to write headers. This is not singular. Now save this, refresh this page, and inside this top text I write hello, and inside this bottom I write hey, and now I select this image, and you can see here inside our store my memes, and you can see here success is true. So now our URL is generated. Now copy this URL and paste here. You can see here this is our meme that we created by own. Now you can create your own custom meme, and you can see here this is our URL for our meme. Now we have to also allow to share this URL to our friends, to our any social media that I created this meme by using this React project. So this is our project that is completed successfully. Now let's revise it, what we have to do inside this meme generator. And here in this top I write binod, that is trending meme, and inside this bottom I write rashiben for some kind of fun. And now I am click on this image, and you can see here inside my memes our URL is generated. And now I want to copy this and paste here, and you can see here our custom meme is created by our own. So this is our project that we have to create any meme with this any of this image, and you can write anything, and you can share your meme with any social media, any of your friends. So now I hope you guys you like our project that we made with React, and also the video. If you really like, then you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So thank you and bye bye.